Welcome everyone to the first episode of SUMO Can Cook. Tonight we're going to be using my Instapot to make bacon cheese. What do you want?
Can I help? Welcome to Cooking with Chloe. Today we're gonna make the Keto Burger Bacon Soup.
Hey, I'm back. Chloe's having some issues being by herself. You don't gotta make a meatball. Excuse me. So first we're gonna put our beef in the Instapot, which is already hot to saute. Put it in there. Just drop it in. Drop the whole thing in. Pick up the whole thing. That too.
Can I do it?
That too. Put that sink behind us and start smashing it up. Alright. Chloe is separating the meat while it's sauteed and cooked.
I never do this.
And in case you didn't understand what she was saying, we're making Keto Bacon Cheeseburger Soup. Now, if you don't have a cool, hold that up for a second in front of the camera. If you don't have a cool little food separator like this, go ahead, continue. A whisk will do the job just fine. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a spatula, I guess. If you don't have a spatula, you probably shouldn't be cooking, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, Chloe, you're going to continue cooking that until it's not pink. When it's not pink anymore, you're done. All right?
It's not gonna make any words.
It's not making any words? You mean sounds?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see it. Watch. Watch this. Get in there. Why don't you go wash your hands real quick? Yeah, you want to push down. Hopefully the camera up top here is catching this. Push down and turn. The only problem is the pot here in the Instapot, of course, is it just sits there. It's not like secured in there, right? Let that cook for a little bit, then we'll add some more.
Dada.
What? Hey,
I want to use a spatula.
we're not using a spatula.
No, when we get a plate, I pa pa pa.
Do what now?
Pa pa
Oh.
pa pa. Spatula.
Hey, stir that beef. Stir that beef. Stir that beef.
It's turning brown.
That's the whole point. We don't want any pink. I know pink's your favorite color, but we want the pink to go away, Chloe.
You know what I did on my journal, Daddy?
What did you do in your journal today while you're cooking, Chloe?
I put pink in it last year.
Wow.
And the one with the spikes.
How old are you?
6.
Now, should 6-year-olds be cooking like this by themselves?
No.
So you should probably take a little second now to tell your friends, hey, don't try this at home unless you're working with a parent.
Don't try this. Kid, friend, don't do this at home. You need a parent.
You should have a responsible adult with you, children, when cooking. Not me. I'm not responsible whatsoever. It's almost all gone, right? There's a little bit of pink. Can I take a look? Alright. We're good. So we're going to put this down. Hold on. Don't do that yet. Alright, so I'm going to turn this off of saute. Boom. So that's off now.
Soup.
I have the instructions over here. Okay. Add. Okay, Chloe. Now you're going to add the ingredients. I'm going to tell you what to add. You put it in there, okay? Tomatoes.
This one?
Yes. And I'll take it and toss it in the sink behind you. The beef broth.
Beef broth. Can I pour it off?
Just carefully. You don't want it like splattering. That is beef broth. Okay. Cool.
Stop the bubbling.
Because the beef broth is not hot like that stuff.
What's not?
Broth. Bacon.
Bacon.
Put the bacon in. This is crumbled bacon that Daddy cooked on his lunch break. You can get your hands dirty. Get your hands dirty. I know you washed them. We're good. Jalapenos. We don't have any because Mommy hates spicy stuff.
Yeah.
Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Say bam.
Bam.
Okay. The Worcestershire sauce. Can you say it?
Sauce.
Yeah, close enough. This stuff is messy too. Ugh. Yeah.
Yes!
Ah! Lick it. Lick your fingers. I dare you. Okay. And then stir. Stir it up.
This one?
No, that's not the spoon. Use this to stir it, just like you were doing. Turn it and stir it.
Oh my god.
Where's the cheese come in then? Hold on.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Look at this! Look at that!
Okay. Now, oh, you didn't put the onions in, did we? Broth, bacon. When do the onions go in? Put them onions in.
Me.
Okay. Now stir that up. Can I get in here and get a good stir too? See, just like you had a spoon, just do that. Alright. Now, Chloe, this is the weird part for you. Are you ready? I feel like the cheese should just go right in it. I guess it goes on it. You know what? Screw it. We're putting cheese in there. Just a handful. Okay, that's enough. Stir that up. Now, Chloe, the cream cheese here is going to go right on top in the center. You want me to do it, or you want to do it?
I'm gonna do it.
So it's kind of slimy and weird. I mean, it's not. It's good cream cheese. I'm just saying it's kind of weird to feel.
Can you?
Right in the middle. All right. Now we're gonna pressure cook. Can you get my lid off the counter over there?
I can pick it up.
All right.
Like this.
This part's in the front. Yeah. This is fun, right? We're having fun now.
What is that button?
Oh. Beep. All right. Come around here, Chloe. Go on that side. Go on that side. Okay. Lean in here so they can see you. We're going to hit the soup button right there. There's soup. And we're going to adjust it for 15 minutes.
I wanted to push it.
And then we just leave it alone, I think. I think after a couple seconds, it'll beep. This is the second time I've used this thing. I don't know. There it goes. And now we just wait 15 minutes. Alright, 15 minutes is up, finally. So, it's done cooking. Chloe just learned an important lesson. What is that, Chloe?
You can't touch that.
You can't touch this. She just, I saw her hand go, just like slow motion, no! But you're okay, right? So here's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick release of the steam. Stand back. Or just, not stand back, but come back. This is what we're going to do. Maybe you should get down. Here, you get down. You turn the knob. Is it getting the camera? I don't know, it might be.
You don't want it?
So you hit the quick release.
You don't want to do it because I did it.
You don't want to push the button like Chloe did. You're good now. Come on. You went from like to pretty quick. It's almost there. When this metal thing goes down, that means the pressure's good.
You're funny.
You're funny. So yeah, this recipe takes a lot longer than like 20 minutes, so 5 minutes of cooking and then 15 minutes of this because you gotta wait for the pressure to build up. And you gotta wait for the pressure to go down. Daddy is impatient. Okay, the knob is down. Alright. Let's see if it lets me open it. It should stop me. Nope.
Yep.
Ooh.
Next.
Yeah, why don't you not get too close, okay? We got our ladle.
Come in.
You sure?
What do we do?
Chloe's famous last words. You spoon some and then you put it in here. Please let me do this. I'm scared. You've already got birds.
Can I do a little bit?
Plus you gotta dig down in there and get that.
Oh.
You gotta stir that sour cream up that was in there. The sour cream. Cream cheese. Cream cheese. Alright, let go. Let go.
Can I do the other one?
See what I did?
When you're done with that one, can I do the other one?
Yeah, I'll hold the bowl. Scoop. Get down in there. Yeah, get some beef. Alright, pour it in. Do another good scoop just like that. You're making a mess, aren't you? Alright, let's try and get a little bit more beef in this one. Alright, so we're good there. Top it with
There's
some
more.
cheddar cheese.
There's more.
Well, yeah, it makes like 6 or 4 servings. That's only me and Mommy eating it because, God forbid, you and Dominic, you know, eat real food. Cheddar cheese. Some diced pickle on. Can we not? Don't play with my. There! It's done! Get a spoon. Stop playing with it. That's like, get a spoon out of the drawer. Mother! This is Mom tested, Chloe approved. It's a big spoon you just gave her. Mommy, can you come over by Chloe? We can't see you, I think. No, I'm glad she's trying it and not me.
Try it.
Try it. You'll like it. It's really hot.
The pickles were good.
So, it looks good, it smells good. I'm going to assume that it tastes good. Mommy's on our lunch break. We don't have time for it to cool down and do a video saying if we liked it or not. So, yeah, that's the end of our video. What do you mean, what do you say? You know what to say. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
To Mommy and
If
DJ and Daddy and me.
If I do the video editing right, the last
Mindy,
episode
Papa, and
of Tabletop Tuesday should be over here. Right here should be a picture of E Honda from Street Fighter. You can click that to subscribe. And over here, I don't know what's going to end up here. Maybe I'll try and link to the recipe like a real video. This isn't my recipe. I'll put the recipe link in the comments, okay? That's it. Okay. What? Say it.
Floor of lava right here.
The floor is lava.
Right here.
Bye.
Bye.